If you have that stubborn dark spots that just doesn't seem to go away, this video is the solution for you. Because today I'm going to talk about the Anua's 20% vitamin C serum, which is supposed to be the best serum for blemishes in the market, and we're going to discuss about that in detail. So let's get started with the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manisha. I make skincare and beauty related content. So in case you are interested, you can subscribe to the channel. Now there are so many vitamin C serums available in the market as of now. So it's like really confusing which one you should invest your money in, which one is like actually worth the hype. And this serum is also no different. And I personally have tried a lot of vitamin C serums by now. That's why I'm gonna just talk about this vitamin C serum and I'm gonna tell you exactly how it works. So do you actually need this product or not? Now this vitamin C has an ideal combination which contains 56% of the green lemon extract and 20% of the pure vitamin C, which is L-ascorbic acid. It also contains viral barrier capsules that are made up of panthenol, glutathione, and bisabolol to easily deliver water-soluble vitamins through your skin barrier. Now, it also improves your observable freckles and blemishes inside skin bumps with vitamin E and ferulic acid. Now, vitamin C and ferulic acid is like a perfect combination for your skin because this is vitamin C, which means it definitely works on your anti-aging, brightening, and improving wrinkles with the help of L-ascorbic acid and adenosines in this. Now, because this is a vitamin C and it is a very potent vitamin C, what I will suggest is that keep this in the refrigerator. Ideally, keeping vitamin C in a refrigerator is the best thing you can do, especially once you open it. It really helps keeping the vitamin C potent. So yeah, keep that in mind. That is something that is really important. Now, talking about this particular vitamin C, let's talk about a unique ability that this particular vitamin C holds, which prevents it from losing its effectiveness. How? Because vitamin C and ferulic acid are antioxidants for your skin, and they help to stable your vitamin C, which means there are less chances of this vitamin C getting oxidized. Also, if you see that this particular product comes with a dark bottle, which is like the best way to store a vitamin C. So while vitamin C works on brightening the skin, vitamin E and ferulic acid protect and boost the effect of this product, which allows this serum to take even the most stubborn hyperpigmentation or marks that you have on your skin. Now let's talk about the texture of the product. This product has a slightly sticky and oily texture to it, but it makes your skin feel instantly soft and supple, which is the best part, I feel. And also, if you're someone with sensitive skin, just keep that in mind that it is like a very high percentage of vitamin C, so it is like very concentrated. So I will suggest taking a patch test for like at least 2-3 days, not once, to make sure that it is not creating that sensitivity. And even if you're using it after that patch test, it may cause that tingling sensation on your skin because it is highly concentrated. If you want to see results in the shorter period of time, I feel like this is the perfect product to try out because it definitely provides that instant results to your skin. You will gonna see noticeable changes in your skin like within 5 to 10 days of using this product, because the reason is that it is super concentrated. Now here are two things that I'm gonna say which is like a keep it in mind or reminder. First, if you're using it in your daytime skincare routine, make sure you apply your sunscreen. It is like non-negotiable. Secondly, don't pair it up with AHA, BHA, PHA, LHA, any of the acids, because vitamin C itself is an acid and you cannot combine two acids together because then your skin will burn. So make sure you don't do this mistake. Otherwise, it's all good. Until and unless you're like supremely oily, sensitive, acne-prone skin, it is something that is gonna take away your stubborn acne marks. Like if you have hyperpigmentation because of the acne, that brown marks I'm talking about, it's gonna take that away. It's gonna provide brightness to your skin, everything that you expect from a vitamin C. This is all that. So yeah, this is like also one of the best vitamin C serum that I have tried. So I will highly recommend checking this out. If you're just looking to buy this one, this is your sign. Just go check it out. And that's pretty much it that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one and I'll see you with another video. Till then, bye-bye.